This is the second part of the NABH questions and answers, useful both for nursing interviews and also for nursing government exams. On that note, let's get started. What is a sentinel event? List down some examples of sentinel events. Any unexpected occurrence involving permanent injury or death of patient or employee or visitor in the hospital is termed as a sentinel event. A few examples are surgery performed in the wrong body part, discharge of an infant to the wrong person, medication error, a slip, trip or fall, sexual assault within the healthcare facility. What is surrogate consent? Consent signed by a spouse or family member of the patient in a situation when patient is not in a position to give his own signature or in case the patient is below 18 years of age. How to store and administer narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs are stored under double lock until needed for the patient. After administering the drug, the responsible nurse signs the narcotics register. To whom are we supposed to report the adverse drug reactions and medication errors? We should report the adverse drug reaction or medication error to the hospital administrator, quality department, nursing in charge, and doctor on duty. What are the international patient safety goals? Identify patients correctly. Improve effective communication. Improve the safety of high alert medication. Ensure safe surgery. Reduce the risk of healthcare associated infections. Reduce the risk of patient harm resulting from falls. Who is a vulnerable patient? The patient who is prone to injury and disease by virtue of his age, sex, physical, mental, and immunological status is known as a vulnerable patient. A few examples of vulnerable patients are children below 12 years of age, people above 65 years of age, patient on immunosuppressive or chemotherapeutic agents, pregnant patients, patients admitted in ICU, physically and mentally challenged patients, rape or suicide patients, patients who cannot perform their activities of daily living, ADL. What are the precautions needed for the safety of a vulnerable patient? Appropriate bed with safe height, mattress, and overlay should be selected. Side rails of the bed should be raised as needed for the safety of the patient. Patient must be attended by a family attendant or nurse. Provide individually scheduled toileting, scheduled turning and positioning. Clean urine and or feces promptly. Proper skin care and hygiene should be maintained. Provide timely nutrition or feeds. Attend for physical interventions like bathing, toileting, etc. by appropriate gender. Restrain the patient if required after taking consent. Comfort assessment and emotional care should be provided by a psychologist. Any abuse towards the vulnerable patients must be reported. In case of fire in emergency area, where would be the triage be set? In case there is a fire in the emergency area, emergency triage shall be set up in main lobby near reception if required. The reception area shall be closed to public immediately. Name a few types of fire extinguishers. Water extinguishers, foam extinguishers, powder extinguishers, carbon dioxide extinguishers, wet chemical extinguishers.